Okay, so this video forms part of the Africa Array Field School 2026, and in it we're going to learn how to create a project in GeoSoft, import our 3 magnetic data sets, grid them, compare the leveling, see if there are any issues, and then load it into a map, and ideally create one grid with the grids all leveled. So to open GeoSoft, you actually have to go type Oasis Montage. So it will just Oasis. Do not type GeoSoft, nothing. Hey, the only thing that came up is the exe file. I don't know. Can you run that? Safer to just go and type Oasis. And then it comes up as an app. That's not good. Yes, delete my shortcut. Never mind. Cancel. Unpin. Okay, let's see if this one works. So I've typed in Oasis at the bottom here to open up GeoSoft. I've gone down here and typed Oasis. I click on the app, and you can see I've got the latest version here, 2025. So that will affect some of our menus if you've got an older version. When this license window comes up, you just click Get Started. I'm running the license while I'm running the app. You can extend it for multiple days. I'm going to come back and actually open up this folder I already have, but let me just show you new users how to create a new project. So you're going to click here, New Project, go to somewhere on your computer where you can save it. I've actually got a GeoSoft folder, and you could type New Folder. I'm going to type Africa Array Field School 2026, or if you're not part of the Africa Array Field School, you could just type Tutorial. And go there, and now you've got, so now we're in a folder. Now we actually need to give the project a name. So Tutorial Africa Array Field School 2026, and now it's going to create a project file in which it saves all of your files, and you click Save, and it's going to open up all of these menus. I'm now going to go back and just go over to my existing Field School project, which you obviously won't have. There's no difference. I just like it to load all my data in one place. And again, you'll just see it loads up the menus for me. And so, yeah, that's how to get it started. So I'm going to stop the video there and just do some short videos.